Welcome to Backyard Blinking. My name is Charles. I'll be your host. We explore everything BB and pellet related: air pistols, air rifles, targets, ammo. A little breezy today, but that's okay. Before we get started, we'll try another one of the little challenge targets. Yeah, it's already boogered up on the end. A cap on the end of it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to set it in a vise, shoot through here into the cap. I hope. This might not work. Alright, so I'm going to try the IceMan CROSMAN. See if I can shoot it right through the bottle into the cap. It'll be hard to do because the front sight's pretty much the same size as the target. Maybe. One more for good measure. Blew the cap off of the back. I think we got it. Down the pipe. What do you know? I got my pellet back. I mean, that's not a bad shot to challenge yourself with, or your friends, or something like that. But sorry, I had to wait for the wind to die down a little bit. It's getting annoying. Anyway, really what I wanted to show you today, give you something to think about. Somebody had asked me about shooting left-handed. You know, how hard is it? Can you learn? Everybody can. But some people are going to take a different technique than others. Now, this is what helped me. This is what I was taught. This is what I was shown. So, I'm right-hand dominant. Also right-eye dominant. So, it's a natural action for my right hand, my right eye. Left hand. It still feels comfortable. It feels okay, but it's weird with the eyes. So, take your cheek, put it onto your shoulder. Use your right eye to look down the sights. Now, that's going to get you used to being left-handed. What about the left eye? Well, even sometimes you'll see me where I kind of lean over a little bit more. If, you know, I'm having a little trouble seeing out of my right eye because of the way the sun is or something like that. Right hand, firm grip, Same thing, all the way over. Use your left eye to look down the sight. That'll get you used to using your left eye. Eventually, they will come together. When you grip this with the left, your left eye is gonna, all right, let's get on it. Same thing with the right, and be the right eye. Works great with pistols. The BBs, the spring air, the CO2s are great to start with, especially if you start somebody young, to be able to use either hand. Obviously, rifles are a different story, you know, because you don't have the freedom to really kind of get all the way over. I mean, there might be a couple, but once you get into modern firearms, you don't want to do that, right? Because you'll break a jaw, a tooth, or something bad will happen. Even modern pistols, you're still okay up to a certain caliber. I mean, you're going to get into some bigger stuff that, you know, eventually, hopefully, if you grow up, that, you know, you don't want to have any pressure anywhere. You want to be able to take the recoil with it. But, just to demonstrate, left hand, right eye. Left hand, left eye. That one's out. Let the eye span. It takes practice, and you know, even me, I don't do it often enough, and a lot of times I'll have something that'll go wild. But try that. It's something simple. It's something easy you can do. You can do it in your own backyard, you know, and just kind of keep working with it. You'll find something that'll work for you. All right, and that's the whole purpose of this. It just, you know, have a good time, and you know, next time you go and you're hanging out with your buddies or something like that, say, "Oh, really? Watch this." Pick it up and go left-handed. So, until next time, my name is Charles. This has been Backyard Blinking.